Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. One of Australia's most popular and loved museums. Expand your mind, discover new things, and learn about cultures from the past and present. Perfect for the whole family, Melbourne Museum showcases Australian and Victorian social history, Aboriginal cultures, science, and the environment. With exhibits to surprise and delight all ages, enjoy an inspiring and entertaining day while making memories that last a lifetime. Visit their permanent collections year-round and join in for exciting programs and temporary exhibitions from near and far. Visit the Pauline Gandel Children's Gallery, the immersive space that supports families, carers, educators, and children to learn together, designed for babies to 5-year-olds. Please like, share, and subscribe. As you enter the Forest Gallery, the MELBOURNE country is always talking offers a chance to gain a deeper understanding of the meaning of country and the ways it connects to language and culture by showcasing portraits that introduce people of the Eastern Kulin nations. You'll find opportunities to listen to stories of their unique and personal connection to country. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. Explore Bunjalaka Aboriginal Cultural Centre, a space dedicated entirely to honoring First Peoples history, knowledge, and living culture through exhibits, storytelling, performances, and more. Melbourne Museum is located adjacent to the World Heritage listed Royal Exhibition Building. Please do watch our other Melbourne Museum playlist. Thank you for watching.